Hi there, this is Jacqueline with Nickel and Dime Decor and Bad Hair Days. It is what it is. I want to do something just fun today. You know, I need a break from working on quilts all the time. And I like little projects and little things that I can make for gifts. Well, I know you've seen these. This is not my product. I did not make this, and I bought it off of Facebook. And I bet you've seen them. They're the little bookmarkers for the corner of your page, and you just slip it on there. Well, when I got it, I really honestly got it so I could tear it apart and use it for a pattern and make my own. Because I wasn't real satisfied. I just thought it needed a little more embellishment or something a little better. So anyway, I got two of them, and this is what they look like. Okay, I tore it apart. I cut it apart, all the stitching off of it, so I could have the two pieces for a pattern. I then made me a template. So now I can use whatever. On here, I don't have any of this heavy-duty, real heavy cardstock. This is almost like cardboard. And you really need that to put on your pages. It just helps the stability of it, you know. So you need that. So I will have to try to go to Hobby Lobby and find some. But in the meantime, I used using the two that I had. Okay, this is what I come up with. Isn't it not a little cuter? I like it better. If you can embroider by hand, this is just felt. That's all this is. And they embroidered heart and flowers, stem. If you have an embroidery machine, you can do it. Whatever you want to do to embellish them. If you want to put their initials, you can do that. Oh, you can just do anything. You can choose however you want to put this on there. I put my felt on the paper and then did a blanket stitch all the way around. Then I put this corner piece back on and did another blanket stitch for this part and this part. And then I did a straight stitch, see that, all the way down to secure it. So that is my interpretation, or the way I want to do it. Now this is all I had, and I just started doing this afternoon playing around, so I naturally used what I had. This polka dot piece of flannel, I have a gray and I have a black. But these pieces of flannel come in every color in the world. So you can do whatever. So what I'm going to do is, out of my grid plastic here, I made me a template. And now I can cut out just whatever I want. This one is ready for this one when I tear it apart, and then put that on that cardboard, do a blanket stitch, and then put this back on and do another blanket stitch. And if you can do the blanket stitch by hand, then that means there's no sewing to this project. So you can do it either way. Okay, now I made one, and since I didn't have the cardboard or whatever, look what I came up with. I think this is precious for a man. And those, that's a decorative stitch on my machine. And I had this cork kind of paper. I really don't know what you call it, but it's too soft. But it works. I mean, I can put it on. Let me show you. I can put it on just fine. I mean, it works great, but I would like it to be just a little bit stiffer. But it's okay. It works. But isn't that a nice gift for a man? If, you know, not many men really read a lot. I mean, maybe there are, but what a nice gift. And there's probably 10, 15, a lot of machines have 30 decorative stitches. Oh my gosh, you can go to town. Look at these two. These are little flowers. I was just playing around trying to figure out how to do an initial, and I never could figure it out on this machine. But that red flower is really pretty. And, you know, if you had a pink piece of felt and did this in green, that would be so cute. And there I just did some black. And not knowing, you're going to have to practice on something else because you don't know which way sometimes this is going to look, which way to go. And going around the corner, I decided it was much easier, like on this one. I just stopped and then started again. But if you can turn that corner and do it, you know, it works out real good. So that's my little project, is your own little bookmarker. And, you know, that's the thing. It's just like quilts. You know, the roundabout quilt, most of you won't know what I'm talking about, but the roundabout quilt that I made was a patchwork type arrangement, and I didn't care for it. Improvise, redo, remake it, make it your own. That's what's so much fun. Now, on my next one, after I get the hard paper, or I really don't know what you call it. It's not really paper, it's more cardstock. This is very thick. But once I get it, I'm going to go buy me some more colorful flannel, you know, just felt. I think it's felt. It's not flannel. Just sheets of flannel. And at Joann's, they have tons of just all different colors. And this is going to be some Christmas gifts. I'm already thinking there's lots of people that would love to have one of these. So anyway, that's my break from quilting, and I just wanted to share with you. If you have seen these before on Facebook, you can order one and get your own pattern and take it apart. But I'm going to show you this this circumference, this area right here is 3 3/4 square. A 3 3/4 square. You don't have to have a template. I mean, make your own template. 3 3/4 square. And then to get this one, just take half of your 3 3/8 square and cut it in half. And that's your corner piece. There it is. Have fun. Have fun. Play around with it and make you some. Make you a very nice gift to give someone. Okay? Thank you.